Checklist templates allow you to standardize processes across Jira issues. This video will show you how to use Jira automation to add a template when an issue is transitioned. Navigate to Jira Settings, Apps, and scroll down to Global Settings. Ensure that the Apply Checklist Templates from Issue Labels setting is enabled. Now go to Checklists in the left nav bar. Click on Create Template. Omitting spaces in the template name will allow it to be added to issues via Jira Labels integration. Add the desired items to the template. And click Save. Navigate to Project Settings Automation. Click Create Rule. Choose Issue Transitioned as the trigger and select the appropriate statuses. Click Save. Select Edit Issue as the action. Select Labels as the field to be edited. Type the name of the template and click Create New to create the new label. Click Save. Name the rule and turn it on. The template will now be added automatically when issues are transitioned. Visit HeroCoders.com for more examples of how you can use checklists in Jira.